Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in today's newspaper. Today's newspaper. Well, it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's actually the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, August the 12th, 2023, and today is Sunday, August the 13th. Yeah. And in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. And 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And we have here a Sudoku with 4 stars. Yes, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see, but this will be number 6914. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 2 threes. 3 fours. 2 fives. 2 sixes. 3 sevens. 2 eights and 4 nines. So the nines are a majority. Can I start with a 9? That's my question. Well, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9, 9, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in third column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the last row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. Oh, well, we have a pair here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have 2 and a 9 in the third column, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 9 in the last row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2, 2, okay. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, there are only 2 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. Well. Two. Yeah, I'm thinking. Two. Okay. Yeah. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with a 7 should be there. 4. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 7 then. And that box should be a 4 then. Alright. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 4 in a row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 4, 4, yes. Okay. Need a 4 here. Nope. We already have a 4 here. Then. How about 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, we have a pair, the 4 and the 7 in the first row, the 4 and the 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in the third column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Alright. 6, 6. Yeah. Okay. And now, let me think. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? Nope. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. You see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the column next, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. How about the 7s then? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in a row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in the third column, the 1 and the 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in the second column for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. Then we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Well, in this row, the middle row, we have 5 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in this box. We have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the column next, so no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here, here, or there in the middle row. Here, here, or there. We see another 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in that column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 3. Okay, now. 5, 5, 5, 5, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. And look, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. Okay. Then 1, 2. Need 2 here. Well. 2, 2. 2, 2. I'm thinking. 1, 1. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here, 1 in this column, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1, okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. 5, 8. 2. 2. Okay. 2. Come on. 8. How about the 6? Well, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 6 in the middle row. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Here can be 6 because we have 6 in this column. No 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the middle row should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the bar. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Oh, wait. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 1 box left in this last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then and the 3. Then let me see. Come on. 8. Need a 5 here. 5 and 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. One is the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. One is the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square from us. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square one was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well, 70 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, because I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.